This tutorial by needlepointers.com will show you how to join binding strips. Cut quilt binding strips the desired width. The width of the strip is a personal choice, but most people use either 2 1/4 or 2 1/2 inches. Cut the strips from selvage to selvage. The desired method of joining the strips is with a diagonal seam because the seam will be less conspicuous. To join the strips, place the strips with right sides together at a 90-degree angle. Now, some people cut off the selvage before they do this. I like to do it and just leave the selvage on. Align a ruler across the two sides on a diagonal from corner to corner. Then draw a line using a marker of your choice from the corner to the corner. To make sure that the fabric does not shift, place a couple of pins to hold it in place. Now we have to move to the sewing machine to begin sewing. Begin stitching with a straight stitch right along the marked line. I'm going to remove the pins, and you can see that the tape is lined up. Now what you would do is trim it 1/4 inch . And then you would press this seam open. I'm going to just finger press it so you can see what I'm talking about, but you would press it with an iron so it's nice and flat. And you would also remove these little dog ears that you see here, or it's like a little triangle. And that is how you make continuous binding strips. You would continue adding strips in the same manner until you have the binding length required for your quilt or quilt project. I have finished joining the binding strips for the quilt I am making. I hope you enjoyed learning this technique for joining strips. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. To follow us, click the iCard or the link in the description section. In addition, visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of quilting and sewing information and free projects.